Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I have carburetor and John Deere gator. We will try to clean out, and also I can order the online. Everything is same except the throttle cable. So let's start it. First you remove this bottom bolt to take out the float. Too much rusty. We ordered online, but they don't have the choke. They just have a throttle cable on it. So that's why we decided to clean old one. Maybe they work. But see, the jet is stuck inside. Too much rust. It cannot be opened, and jet is clogged. So I will decided to move the old choke to put in the new carburetor. See if it work. Move the throttle cable is different. If it is different in the throttle cable, a new one don't have a choke. So we both took the old throttle cable to install that one and remove the choke in the old carburetor. Modification to new one. I don't know why they come without choke, and I will try buy a couple, but the same, everything same. We cannot find out the exact because it's old John Deere gator. So let's remove the butterfly screw. Take him out the accelerator cable. If you remove the butterfly two bolts, they will easily pop off. Now we try move the choke side. You move the choke butterfly, and same with this lever is easily come out. Get the drill bit in same size hole and make a hole on it, a new one. The butterfly even is a little bit grinding because it doesn't fit to the new one. A little bit bigger. So we can grind with sander. The perfect fit inside. Now we have the new carburetor and old accelerator and new choke. We install the new one. I hope so they should work. If you like the video, subscribe and share to your friend. See, started first kick. First salve just started. It worked perfectly. So now we're good to go. of the video. If you have any question, please comment below. And thanks for watching.